Step start your lawnmower. Never pull that darned cord again. If you can step, you can start your lawnmower with the new original Easy Step Start. No battery, no charger, no tools required. Attach the Easy Step Start to your lawnmower and never pull that cord again. Forget about high-priced electric start mowers, battery chargers, and expensive replacement batteries. Just a simple one-time attachment to your mower and you're ready to enjoy easy step starting every time. Easy Step Start, a new invention made in the USA. Rugged steel construction built to last. For use with all common walk-behind mowers with center-mounted engine and extended pull cord only. Not for use with rear bagger attachment. A special feature of Step Start makes your mower easier to maneuver. Step Start is precisely designed to enhance your mower's balance and make your mower handle like the expensive rear engine type. Attachment is easy. Simply clamp the handle and pull the cord of your mower. No tools required. Just step, stow, and mow. Step on the pedal, turn the crank, and you're ready to mow. Step, stow, and mow with Step Start. Never pull that darned cord again.